In this video, we'll see super simple and delicious chocolate cake. Those who follow me on my another channel, Home and Much More, would know that this is the cake which I had made for my wedding anniversary and many of you had requested for it. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need 6 tablespoons milk, so take milk at room temperature. To this add 1 teaspoon vinegar or lime juice. Give this a good mix and let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The milk would then slightly curdle and that's what we are looking for. Then add 2 tablespoons oil. Make sure you use any flavorless oil, not peanut, sesame or mustard oil. Now add 6 tablespoons powdered sugar. See, I forgot to show you the consistency of the milk, so it has become slightly like curd, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Give this a good mix. Now add half cup all-purpose flour or Maida. You can also use whole wheat flour in this recipe. Then add half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. To measure 1/8 teaspoon, you can take your 1/4 teaspoon measure and take half of it. Very easy to measure. Now gently mix this. Make sure you do not over-mix or overwork the batter. After just removing the lumps, you can switch to a spatula like this. I'm going to bake this or cook this in my microwave because microwave is for cooking. So here I've got a microwave safe dish. I have applied some oil to this tray, so this is approximately 6.5 inch by 5 inch. You can use a microwave safe plastic tiffin, though I do not recommend using plastic in microwave. Avoid it as much as possible. Best would be something like this. Cook this cake in your microwave for 2 minutes. Remember, this is not OTG, this is not convection mode, this is plain microwave mode, and that is why this cake would be done in just 2 minutes. If you want, you can bake this cake like your regular cake at 180 degrees Celsius or in a pan or kadhai at low flame or between medium to low flame, just like I bake my other cakes. But if you have microwave, you would be done in just 2 minutes. So let this cake cool down, and once it cools down, you can apply some chocolate spread or you can also make chocolate ganache. Here I'm using chocolate spread because I wanted to share with you guys the exact recipe which I had made for my anniversary because you had requested for that. So in that recipe as well, I had used a chocolate spread. If you use ganache, you can pipe some ganache or you can pipe some whipped cream, but I just make simple swirls. And finally, I'm decorating this cake with some choco chips. So here I've got some white choco chips. You may decorate this with milk choco chips or the dark ones. So this cake is ready. Look how spongy, soft and so delicious it looks. The first slice would be a bit difficult to remove, but that's okay. Once you remove that, it would be easier for you to remove the other slices too. Take out the other slices. Look at this cake. It's so spongy, so soft. It's very delicious. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.